The Little Lost Kitten. In a cozy town, where houses lined the streets like colorful puzzle pieces, lived a curious little kitten named Whiskers. One sunny day, as Whiskers played near the park, he took a tiny detour and found himself in a brand new adventure. Whiskers, with his soft fur and tiny paws, loved playing at the park. Birds chirped, and kids giggled as they swung on swings and slid down slides. Whiskers chased after butterflies, his tail swaying with excitement. As Whiskers explored, he found a hidden nook under a large oak tree. It seemed like the perfect spot for a little nap. But, as he dozed off, a gentle breeze whisked his tiny adventure to a whole new level. Waking up, Whiskers realized he was no longer at the familiar park. Tall grass surrounded him, and a babbling brook sparkled nearby. Whiskers, though a bit puzzled, decided to turn his little mishap into a grand exploration. As Whiskers trotted along, he met friendly forest creatures, a wise old rabbit, a cheerful squirrel, and even a chatty bluebird. They became Whiskers' new pals, guiding him through the charming woods. With the help of his new friends, Whiskers embarked on a journey back home. The sun began to set, casting a warm glow on the path. Whiskers, now wiser and with tales to tell, happily returned to his cozy little house in the town.